Second law of thermodynamics examples. Melting ice cube. Ice melts on its own due to the second law of thermodynamics, which dictates that entropy of the system always increases for spontaneous processes. Cooling coffee. Coffee cools down on its own due to the second law of thermodynamics, which dictates that heat flows from hotter objects to cooler ones. Rolling ball. Rolling ball eventually slows down and stops due to the second law of thermodynamics. Expanding gas. Gas once released from a cylinder expands on its own, in accordance with the second law of thermodynamics. Crumbling building. The second law of thermodynamics causes old buildings to slowly decay on their own. Falling water. The second law of thermodynamics causes water to fall down on its own. Air expansion. Air expands on its own due to the second law of thermodynamics, which states that the entropy of the system always increases spontaneously. Mixed gases. When two different gases are mixed, they do so on their own due to the second law of thermodynamics. Flowing water. Entropy causes water to flow down on its own. Body heat. Our body feels warm and sweats due to the second law of thermodynamics, which dictates that heat flows from hotter objects to cooler ones. Hot bath. The water in a hot bath feels warm due to the second law of thermodynamics, which states that heat flows from hotter objects to cooler ones.